So we're supposed to find the value of x in 2x squared plus 9 equals to 17. Now this simply means that x will be left on one side while others will go to the other side, and then x will be equal to a value. Now the aim and the mission of this is to take everybody to the other side. Now what sides do we have? So now we have two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side. Now they are separated by a portal. Now what happens when you go through a portal? Something slightly changes about you. Now meaning plus becomes subtraction, multiplication becomes division, and square becomes square root. Now when we remove these things, we remove it from the easiest to the hardest. So if you see, I wrote this in a progression. Plus and minus are considered the easiest form, then multiplication and division are the next, and then square and square root. Now this is important. Why? We're not supposed to remove multiplication before plus. We cannot start with what? Removing our square. You can see it's like trying to pick out something from a magnet. There's the easier one to pick, and there are some that are very difficult, maybe because of their size are tiny, or they are attached to the magnet in a very tough corner. Now let's start removing. So as we said, 2x squared, let's write the equation. Remove 9 first. Why? 9 has the sign what? Plus attached to x. Now when I goes to the portal, it becomes 2x squared equals to 17 minus 9. You see, that's changed. Something has changed slightly. Now this simply gives us 8. Now the next person going to the side, so that x would remain king on one side, is what? Is 2. Now 2 is attached to x by how? By multiplication. That is 2x squared is equals to 2 times x squared. As you can see now, x is multiplication is there, meaning x squared is equals to what? 8 divided by what? By 2. Now if 8 is divided into, writing in various ways. Some people like writing like this. Like me, I like writing like this. So give us what? 4. Now we're done with removing two things. Now it remains the last man standing, the stubborn square. So now square has to go. So now when we take square through the portal, it becomes what? Square root. Now any number on the other side, whether it's fraction, be it anything, is what? Covered like an umbrella by what? The square root. Here we really have only 4. So now we have x equals to what? The square root of 4, which is what? 2. Now we have our value of x as what? 2.